Hey guys, welcome back to Steffi D Creates. If you're new, welcome. So excited to have you here on my channel. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can always see new Steffi D Creates videos when you come out. And welcome back to those of you who have been watching for a while. I am so excited. It's the beginning of October, so that means we can really delve into some Halloween crafts. So I was at the store looking for some ideas, and I was at Pottery Barn and saw this candle. This is a black sparkle candle that's battery powered, and it's $79. Granted, it was on sale for $63, but personally I think that that's just a little bit too much for a black sparkle candle when we can make one for $5. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna be making our own black sparkle battery powered candles that only took $5 to make and a couple of minutes. They're so easy and so cute, perfect to start our Halloween crafts. And after you watch it, you can tell me what you like, the Pottery Barn one or the homemade one. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. I'm so excited to start this video and do our Pottery Barn challenge for Halloween. So let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need: a battery powered candle, Mod Podge, a foam brush, black glitter, and some wax paper. The first thing we're going to do is lay out some wax paper that we're going to pour our glitter over. You want to make sure that you always have something to pour glitter over so you can catch it all and so you can pour it back into your bottle. Then we're going to squeeze some Mod Podge onto our palette or paper plate, whatever you're using. And we're going to take our candle and our foam brush, dip it into the Mod Podge, and I'm going to start on the inside of the candle, right around where the flame is, and start painting the Mod Podge all around the flame. Don't paint the flame, and paint all the way around the inside. Make sure you're doing a nice even coat of Mod Podge all around the inside of the candle. And don't forget to do the top of the candle as well, where the little rim is. Then we're going to take our glitter, and I take the top off of my glitter because we're going to free pour it, and just start pouring your glitter all over the inside where you put the Mod Podge. If you put a little bit in, you can shake it around so you don't have to keep pouring. Make sure that the glitter completely coats where you put Mod Podge, and if you need it to spill out a little bit to get the edges, that's why we're using the wax paper, so you can pour the glitter out a little bit. If you have any excess, you can pour it right back into your bottle. And now we're going to start on the outside, so dip your paintbrush back into the Mod Podge and start painting the sides of the candle. I do little sections at a time because Mod Podge does dry quickly, so I'm just going to do a little section at a time with the Mod Podge and then pour more glitter over it. Don't forget to shake it off so you get all that excess glitter off. Then move on to your next section and keep repeating the same steps, painting Mod Podge on the candle and then pouring glitter on top of it. Repeat these steps until you've gone all the way around your candle and covered it in Mod Podge and glitter. I just couldn't believe that the Pottery Barn candle was $79 when we can make it for $5. When your candle is completely covered with glitter and Mod Podge, we're going to let this dry for about 20 minutes. While your candle is drying, we're going to lift our wax paper up and pour the glitter back into the bottle. This is how we save glitter and make no mess. Pour it right on back in, and no glitter is wasted. If your candle dries and there are spots that are missing some glitter, that's okay. Just add more Mod Podge and more glitter and you can fill in those spots. When your first layer has dried, we're just going to seal it so the glitter doesn't come off on your hands or all over your home. So we're going to do the same step again. Just dip your brush into some more Mod Podge and completely cover your candle in another layer of Mod Podge all the way around. Don't forget to do the inside of your candle as well. We don't want that glitter coming off either. So I did try this with the really thick black glitter that shines so pretty, but when I put the second layer of Mod Podge on to seal it, it didn't dry so well. It lost that shimmer effect to it. So I decided against it and started doing it with the fine black glitter instead. I think it makes a better luster and a better overall look. Once your top layer of Mod Podge has completely dried, that's it. It was so quick and easy to make this Pottery Barn almost $80 candle knockoff for about $5. It looks beautiful, it's battery powered so you don't have to worry about it, and it's a great start to our Halloween decorations. Enjoy! Okay, so after watching the video, which one do you prefer? The $79 candle or our awesome homemade candle? I prefer this one, and I'm just one of those girls who looks at things and goes, I can make that. So we did. If you liked today's video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up so I know I should make more videos just like this for you. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. If you want to see more of these, if you liked the Pottery Barn candle better, let me know. Put it in the comments below. I'd love to see what you think. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest for more behind the scenes information, sneak peeks, DIYs, 1-minute life hacks, party tips. There's so much more on there, so go ahead and give me a follow. If you make this, don't forget to upload it and use the hashtag SteffiDCreates so I can see your awesome creations for Halloween. I hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.